Okay guys, so I present to you the glorysolarfan. I actually just bought this and I'll be unboxing it to show you what we have here. It's also a solar fan and an AC/DC fan. According to the pack, it has a voltage of 7. You can use a voltage of 7.4 volt on it. So it is very low. It's a very low voltage fan. Just small energy will carry it. And the power for the panel, you have just 15 watts. The panel is 15 watts. So let's just unbox it and see what we have here. So this is what we see inside the pack. The engine is quite bigger than I think it's quite bigger. It's quite bigger than the Chadwick fan that we unboxed in our last video. I think it has a light too. Yes, it has a light. And the controls, we have 5 steps. We have 0, 1, 2, 3. 0. I think the 0 is going to off it, while 1 is going to the lowest speed, 2 medium speed, and 3 the highest speed. Also, it has a USB 5 volt output, and I think this should be the charging indicator. This is the charging indicator, and this is another output. That means that it's having 2 outputs. Wow. Unlike Chadwick does not have 2 outputs. This one has 2 outputs, and it is 5 volts. The output is DC 5 volts, so you can output you can use a DC device, 5 volts DC device. Just look to plug it here, and it will output lights for you. Okay, what else do we have here? We also have the stand, the base. This is the fan engine. We have the cover. We also have the panel here. Now this is the solar panel, and it's just 15 watts. So a 15 watts energy is going to power this fan. If you have anything 15 watts, it's going to power the fan. If you have any panel that is 15 watts, any panel that is 15 watts, it will power the fan. What else do we have here? We have the charger. Let us look at the charger too. Now the charger is just 9 volt charger. That means that the 9 volt energy is going to power this particular device. This is great. This is great. So this is a very low power. If you use prepaid, or you use prepaid or use solar, it conserves your energy for you. It's not that you'll be using prepaid, you will not be able to on your fan in the night, so that your light doesn't get finished. This one is just 9 volts. What else do we have here again? No. Now this is the rod, the connecting rod of the engine to the stand. Okay. And okay, now we have this too. Now this is the bulb that came with it. The cord is quite long. This is the bulb that came with it. Wow, this bulb has a switch. Unlike other solar fans, this bulb has a switch, so you can plug it in your fan. Wow, it's actually a DC. It's a DC bulb. Other fans that I've been seeing, they are USB bulb, but this one is a DC bulb. That means that you can actually connect this. You can actually connect this here, and it's going to power, as you can see. Wow, this is great. So that means that you are using your bulb, and you can still use this to charge your devices. You can still use this to charge your devices while the bulb is on. All right, so I'll be assembling the fan now so that we can see. Okay, one thing again I just noticed now is that it has a switch at the back, so it doesn't discharge. You can, when you are done with it, you can off it. You understand? When you are done with the fan and you don't want to use it, you can switch it off. So I think this fan is a good one. The fan is looking promising. I'll be assembling it and giving you guys my honest review about the fan. Now we have this. So we have the fan almost ready now. This one is quite easy to assemble. It is quite easy than other fans to assemble. Alright, so our fan is ready, I've assembled our fan and it is ready now. So you can use the panel to charge it. Now please note, you are not plugging the panel here. You are plugging the panel here at the back. Now you can see immediately I plugged the panel, the light came up because it's daylight. Immediately I plugged the panel, the light came up, as you can see. I removed it now. I plugged it now. It's already seeing sunlight from here and it's responding to it. So I said we can use a USB bulb, though this bulb does not come with it, and a DC bulb that came with it. So this is a USB bulb. And the battery on this particular device is quite amazing. I actually used it for more than 10 hours. I wanted to discharge it and see if I can use the power bank to charge it because 9 volts. It's a 9 volts, so that means that the power bank can even charge this phone, this particular device. It's just 9 watts. So some power banks will be able to charge this device successfully instead of you waiting for lights. So you can see they are using 2 outputs for electricity to go as well. So this fan is, my honest review is that this fan is quite amazing. If you need this fan, you can get it from me for just 55,000 naira. 55,000 naira. Delivery fee applies to your location. If you need it, you can send me a DM. You can send me a DM or drop your comments. I need this, and I'll get back to you. It's just 55,000 naira, and this is it's in high demand now because people have seen the worth of this fan. So if you need it, send me a DM today. Thank you.